What's up guys, welcome back to another wonderful Shein haul. Today I've got some socks to review for you guys. I got those socks on Shein in August of this year for only $4.40 when I added my 15% discount code, which is TSX15. Okay, so those socks are called the 5 pairs floral women pattern crew neck socks. I'm also going to leave a link in the description down below to the socks for you guys. So let me show you the design on each one of them. We have this beautiful pair. They're 100% polyester and they're small fit friendly. I am normally between sizes 5 to 8 in shoes, and these socks fit me perfectly. I bought them for work. So if you wear shoes those sizes, these socks gonna be great for you. And when you keep on wearing them, they open up a bit, but it don't, like, when I say open up, it's not like stretched out. You can continue wearing it because it's like 3 months now and I'm using it every day for work. Unfortunately, this one, I don't know where the other side is. I can't locate it. I am trying on a pair of the socks so you guys can see how it looks. It feels really great. They said that it's 100% polyester, but it actually feels like cotton to me. That is my opinion. You guys, if anyone has a pair like this, you can leave your opinion or your comment in the comment section down below. Okay, let me put on the other pair for you. This is how it looks, and this is the length as well. It's great.